Just to start off with, we had an outstanding quarter.
You did.
Not
You
only
beat the
did we
street.
beat estimates, this is probably our fifth quarter in a row that the margin gap between us and the industry has narrowed, and our operational results in the quarter were outstanding. In fact, led the nation in arrival, departure, and completion, and we finished second in MBR. So we're very happy about the second quarter. With regards to third quarter guidance, again, I think United is firmly, and I mean firmly, on the right path, and a quarter does not make a difference. The simple difference is others have guided a little higher. Part of it is that they're cycling some issues, some negative issues from last year. And then it's a forecast, and so we'll see as the quarter develops. But we feel very, very strongly about our path.
The other metric that's getting a lot of attention is revenue Asia Pacific, and in particular China, down 5.5%. That is such a huge market, so important to United, has been for many years. What's the issue there? Is it the growth of your competitors from China, the Chinese airlines, or is it the fact that you have these developing markets which are a little lumpy in terms of developing that revenue?
It's a combination of all of those things. It's such a massive market from a population perspective that connecting all those customers from the inland aspects of China into the coastal areas is something that a lot of airlines are jumping in. So we've got a lot of competition, a little bit of softening of the economy that drives Americans to China. And so the combination of that in one of our biggest international regions for us is causing some of our degradation.
And one last question, and then the studio has one. Is there any indication, because initially the incident with Dr. Dow being removed from the airplane, there was a lot of social media backlash, if you will, in Asia. Any indication that that impacted bookings, demand, revenue at all coming out of Asia?
No, listen, that was a concern, and I personally traveled out and saw some of the highest people in government in both China and Japan just to make sure, and I have to tell you, in the course of my week there, I don't think I got one single question on the aspect. It's all about growth, it's all about secondary cities, it's all about demand and capacity imbalances and airport infrastructure and growth in that aspect. So it was an all-business conversation. Despite that, we're very concerned with that issue and making sure that, indeed, there's no lingering issues from that incident.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.